Hey there! Let's talk about AI chatbots for business automation. These little digital helpers are seriously cool and can make your work life so much easier. They're like having a super smart assistant who never sleeps, always ready to tackle tasks and answer questions. Whether it's handling customer service stuff or helping out with internal processes, these chatbots are total game changers. They're not just a fancy tech trend, they're actually making businesses run smoother and faster. Pretty neat, right? Unlock your business's true potential with these game-changing AI chatbot solutions. Imagine revolutionizing your business operations overnight. That's exactly what these top recommended 2 AI chatbot solutions can do for you. These aren't just tools, they're your ticket to unparalleled efficiency and growth. Number 1. MarketingBlocks AI. MarketingBlocks AI Bot Builder enables you to create a chatbot that can engage with customers on a deeper level, using your business data to provide relevant and timely information, thereby improving overall customer engagement. MarketingBlocks AI Bot Builder stands out due to its ease of use, customization options, and powerful AI capabilities. Unlike many other chatbot builders that require technical skills, MarketingBlocks is designed for non-technical users, allowing anyone to create a sophisticated chatbot easily. Additionally, features like lead capturing mode, calendar integration, and seamless deployment options make it a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to leverage AI chatbots for growth and efficiency. Getting started with MarketingBlocks is easy, and you can start for free. Now let's jump to solution number 2, Chatbot AI Assist. Chatbot AI Assist scans your website, help center, or other designated resource to provide quick and accurate AI-generated answers to customer questions. Chatbot AI Assist is a generative AI large language model framework designed and launched in minutes without coding, standalone AI, no dependencies on third-party providers like OpenAI, Google Bard, or Bing AI. Chatbot AI Assist covers all customer journey touchpoints automatically and helps your business grow by combining automated AI answers with dedicated flows. Getting started with Chatbot AI Assist is easy, and the best part? It's free. So why not give it a try and see what this handy tool can do for you? Don't let your competition outpace you. These 2 AI chatbots are your secret weapons in today's fast-paced business world. Implement them now and watch your efficiency soar to new heights. The future of business is here. Are you ready to lead the charge? Want to know more about those 2 awesome tools? Just hit up that link below and you can get going for free. No strings attached. It's super easy to get started, so why not give it a shot?